How to make photo collage in Facebook story. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Start off by launching your Facebook app in a device and make sure you are logged in. Now to create a photo collage in your Facebook story, tap on the plus sign icon of create collage. So over here, first and foremost, tap on the select button and click on the photos that you can select. And yes, you can select multiple photos. Then tap on the next icon. Here you will have the option of separate stories or photo collage. You need to select on the option of photo collage. After that, you will have a template like this. You can actually change the shape of the picture by just tapping on it. After that, you can also change the background. That is, you can click on the background icon. You can upload the photo from your gallery or you can just select on the theme given. You can also add music, text, stickers and more from here. If you wish to, you can tag people as well. So this is how you make a photo collage in Facebook story. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.